A good personal brand attracts the right audience who take action. And most of the time, their action is an opportunity for you. And the way to build a strong personal brand is to appeal to a target group and not everybody. That also actually makes life more fulfilling because you get to live your purpose, right? Why do something that you don't like in the first place? What if I told you that you don't have to please everybody and instead focus on pleasing your audience while you please you? Let's talk more about that in this video. Your target audience should be one who you can be yourself with and at the same time who can help you get what you want. If you're an entrepreneur, then your target audience is maybe clients where you sell your services or products to them. If you are a corporate professional, then your target audience is a hiring manager or a company. Today, I want to share with you how you can define your audience for your personal brand. Our magic word of the day is design, because we'll be making a lot of that. So number one, design your life. Here, really narrow down on what you want to do. The thing is this, we should have complete freedom in designing our life the way we want it to be, right? So design it. What will you be doing? And who will you be serving? When people say stand out from everybody or from the room or from the world, it makes no sense because it's nearly impossible. There are over 7 billion people on Earth. You can stand out, however, when you communicate to the audience that pays attention to you. So not everybody will pay attention to you, only those who are really interested in what you have to say will. So to find those people, you have to craft your message or idea so that it directly speaks to them. The second is to design your best type of audience. We live our best life when we're around people that we really care about. So why can the people that we work with be people that we care about? Again, you have the choice in choosing who you want to work with, whether it's a client or an employer. So take the time to imagine your ideal or your idea of a perfect client or audience. We could do this together if you want. We could literally close our eyes and decide, I want to work with people who I love and who love me back. I want to work with people who respect my time and are punctual. I want to work with people who don't negotiate in my pricing because they see the value in it and instead pay me in advance. What else? What else? You can build and craft your ideal client or your idea of a perfect client. And once you know that, once you have a clear idea on who that person is, then you can pursue them. Number 3 is to design your strategy. In this stage, using all of the information that you've gathered about what you want to do or who you want to serve, start creating content that targets these people. And you can do that by starting to use your clients' values and their words into your sales pages, your website, your social media platforms if you are an entrepreneur or a business owner. In case you are a corporate professional, then you can start applying those into your LinkedIn profile or into your resume. And this is how you can target and find your audience for your personal brand. I've created a roadmap, a personal branding roadmap, which is to help you build a business around your personal brand. It has over 60 steps and checklists, and I hope you find it useful. If you wish to get your free copy, then find the link in the description box. Thank you for being here. I look forward to see you next week with more on personal branding. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. I'll keep sharing my ideas about personal branding and image management. Thank you. Have a wonderful week. Ciao.